If you're still trying to figure out अगर आपने जॉब करनी है पाकिस्तान में या बिजनेस करना है, this video might be for you, right? So if you're 26 years old और आप 3-4 साल से जॉब कर रहे हो and आप अपना बिजनेस करना चाहते हो काफी टाइम से, या फिर you're fresh graduated, at the age of ripe age of 22, and you're just fresh into the job market, looking for jobs and not really knowing कि यार मैं अब अभी business करूँ या jobs करूँ. One thing that I'd like to clarify before, so I highlight a couple things is understanding the principle of what is required for each of the two things, right? Job के लिए क्या required है और business के लिए क्या required है. हमारे पास, there's a certain set of skill set that you're going into both of them, right? So when you graduate, आपके पास frankly, I mean, not in my experience at least, unless you're an engineer or a doctor, कोई technical field है, it's unlikely that you have any hands-on practical experience. So आपने शायद कोई internship की हो, शायद कोई startup करने की कोशिश की हो, अपना कोई काम करने की कोशिश की हो, लेकिन none of that really applies unless आपने actually practically कुछ किया हुआ है, right? So when you go into the job market, the employers that you're, that are looking to hire you are looking for somebody who's coachable, trainable, especially when you're a fresh grad. And then on the flip side, they also want somebody who's competent, जिसके पास skill set necessary हो, required to make sure that they're, coachable, teachable, they're able to learn new things in such a short amount of time. Job में I think नंबर वन प्रिंसिपल होता है, यू आर अ लर्न बिफोर यू अर्न. अगर आपने जॉब लैडर में कॉर्पोरेट लैडर एनहेंस करना है, आपने अगर अपनी सैलरी बढ़ानी है इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, व्हिच आई टॉक्ड अबाउट इन माय लास्ट वीडियो, व्हाट you really want to be making sure is you're absorbing information before you can maximize your earning potential. Learn before you earn, right? So it doesn't matter आपको किस तरह की opportunity मिल रही है, as long as आपको कुछ मिल रहा है, you gonna take it and run with it in terms of learning from it. In terms of business, सबसे important चीज़ ये होती है, बहुत सारे लोग समझते हैं पाकिस्तान में स्पेशली कि यार पैसा है तो बिजनेस चल सकता है, या आपको पैसा ही चाहिए बिजनेस चलाने के लिए, और that's absolutely not true. Second misconception is कि आपको बहुत कोई बड़ा बिजनेस चाहिए in order to make a lot of money. That is also absolutely not true. You can have small businesses जहाँ पे you can make a lot of money and you might not even know कि किस तरह उस point पे पहुंचना है. What I'll say is if you're in that boat and you're still thinking about wanting to do a business, थोड़ा सा self-analysis करें on where you are at. And these are the 4 things that I would say that you need to know before you can really dive into a business that you can, turn into a successful thing, especially Pakistan के अंदर. So in any given business, there are 4 broad functions जिनके अंदर आपको, skills अपने बढ़ाने हैं और information और knowledge base अपनी बढ़ानी है. Number 1 is marketing. कौन आपको किस टाइम पे देख सकता है, आप कितनी effort डाल रहे हो अपने business के बारे में बात करने के बारे में, अपने बारे में बात करने के बारे में, so that लोगों के सामने visibility है. Then you've got sales, which by the way I should have said as the first one because sales is the most important part of the business, is making sure कि आपके पास कितने लोग आके आपको पैसे दे रहे हैं for a transaction for your business. So exchange of value, making sure that you're reaching out to people to buy your product. The third thing is accounting and finance, essentially visibility over cash flows. किस टाइम पे आपको कौन कितने पैसे आ रहे हैं, कितना री इन्वेस्ट करना है, कितना आपने एक्सपेंसेस में एलोकेट करना है, कितना आपने साइड पे रखना है इन ऑर्डर टू स्केल द बिजनेस, एंड कैश इज किंग इन एनी गिवन बिजनेस. सो आपका कैश फ्लो किस तरह आपने जनरेट करके एलोकेट करना है. And the final thing being, HR and hiring. When you're scaling your business, you're looking to hire a team, you're looking to hire competent people, making sure that, they help you expand every aspect of the business. आपने अपनी personal अगर time freedom चाहिए, financial freedom चाहिए, you want to make sure that you're able to allocate tasks to competent people in the team that you're hiring. You can't just आप किसी को भी hire नहीं कर सकते 25,000 दे के उसको छोटे मोटे कामों के लिए साइड पे कर दिया. That's not how you'll be able to scale businesses. And so understanding किसको hire करना है, running competency tests or hiring process को किस तरह देखना. If you are unaware of how to do any of these things, there are 2 major ways to get this done. Either you start a business and you learn it the hard way, and the hard way is the only way. And then the other way is अगर आप job करो and you are exposed to pretty much every aspects of these 4 functions that I mentioned in different ways, because आपको ये जो आपका current employer है ये आपको ये चीजें बता रहा है. And so my पर्सनल रिकमेंडेशन इस पाकिस्तान में ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि आप ग्रेजुएट करते हो, सारे लोग कहते हैं कि यार नहीं बिज़नेस करना है, ये करना, वो करना, किसी को कोई आइडिया नहीं होता कि क्या करना है, किस तरह करना है, कैसे करना है। एंड ये बहुत बड़ी एक मिसकंसेप्शन है कि यार जॉब लाइफ लोग इसलिए सिर्फ करते हैं क्योंकि और कोई उनके पास ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं है। In my opinion, if you don't have a level of experience or exposure in these four particular domains, तो आपको बिजनेस करने में बहुत मुश्किल ही होगी, and it'll take time before you can learn these things and get it off the ground. And frankly, the only thing that'll teach you these things in such a short amount of time is an employer and a company जो already ये चीज़ें कर रही हैं. Exposure to a very concentrated amount of information will only come from companies that already exist. आप अपना बिजनेस करोगे, आप ज़ीरो से लर्न करोगे, लेकिन अगर आप एक कंपनी के साथ काम करोगे, they already have these departments in place and you're just absorbing information from them, right? So although I don't necessarily recommend कि आप जॉब करो, but आप कुछ भी करो, अपना काम करो. So for me, I'll give you an example. मेरे पहले साल यूनिवर्सिटी के I ran my first business, essentially was a fast food chain. 2 साल के लिए किया, learned a lot of direct hands-on experience with marketing as well as operations, sales and distribution basically, and then supply chain, सारी चीज़ें, and then उसके बाद cash flow किस तरह आ रहा है, money किस तरह allocate करनी है, and this was my first practical experience with some of these functions. Hiring भी इसके अंदर की, धोखे भी खाए, जिन जिन लोगों को hire किया उनमें से एक दो चोरी भी कर रहे थे काम के अंदर से, and so you understand these things when you're directly involved in these things. Then fast forward 2 years, clothing branding किया, उससे बहुत कुछ सीखा. A completely different business, completely different model, social media marketing पे paid ads किस तरह run करने, all of that stuff. So I spent 4 years of my university running my own businesses, shorter businesses. They were not very successful, but I learned a lot from them. As soon as I graduated, you would think कि मैं अपना third business करता, but I didn't do that. What I did was went to my first job, learned everything about marketing that I could at that particular point in time. उसके बाद I went to my next job, learned everything about print marketing and a lot about accounting and finance functions. कहाँ से पैसे आ रहे हैं, कितने पैसे आ रहे हैं, क्या हमारी ROI कितना आ रहा है हमारी marketing activities पे. And then the third thing I did was I took half of a pay cut basically. मतलब I was at the time making around 240K Pakistani rupees, and I basically went down to like 100K in order to learn sales from this new employer, right? So 2 महीने मैंने वहाँ काम किया and I learned sales through and through. And उससे पहले I had absolutely no experience with sales. With sales department से बातें करते थे, but really did not have a clue about how sales works. Objection handling, किस तरह अपने लोगों को discovery questions use करके nail down करना है. All of these things. This is such a huge topic that I could have its own video for. But the idea being I got that 2 months worth of experience and I was able to open up my entire perspective on how to run the sales function. उसके अलावा फिर next job I went into a managerial role where I was mainly responsible for hiring, and so I was part of the hiring process, and उसके अंदर interviews लेना, लोगों के लिए tasks बनाना, competency check करना, all of that stuff. And I'm glad that I hired a few good people, but उससे मुझे direct experience मिला on how to hire for my own business. All of that combined, that was like 7 to 8 years worth of experience. इसके बाद when I started my business about 12 months ago, and alhamdulillah, I'm at a point where I can confidently say that all of that experience has now finally paid off, right? So we'll get into more about what it is that I do and how much we're currently doing, but I just wanted to highlight these things. Agar aap abhi bhi confused though about what to do, remember what I said, learn before you earn, and then apply those things and make a lot of money, right? So Pakistan especially, I would say there's nothing wrong with you working a job for a brief period of time. Now, spend this time learning as much as you can and then apply it to your business, or साथ साथ balance कर सकते हो, and this is the time that you want to spend to work. आपके सबसे prime years हैं, spend this time properly, make sure you maximize this time to learn and then earn.